If you're just starting out your career, then listen carefully, because the jobs you're applying for right now might not be in existence in the next 2, 3, 4, or 5 years. AI is not coming, it's here already, and it's targeting and replacing the exact entry-level roles that young people depend on to build their experience. If you choose a wrong career today, you may spend a few years climbing a ladder that AI is about to destroy. I've spent many years researching the World Economic Forum job data, tracking company layoffs, and studying how AI tools are being used in real businesses. And to be very honest with you, the patterns are very scary. The jobs that are disappearing the fastest are the entry-level roles, your roles. So in this video, I'll show you the top jobs that are being replaced by AI, why these jobs are dying, and how AI is replacing each one of them. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you the 7 fastest growing jobs that you should pivot into before it's too late. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Now, let me tell you one truth that no one is going to tell you. Companies are not laying off the senior employees first. They are cutting from the bottom. So they are laying off first the new hires, the junior roles, the assistants, the clerks, the analysts. And why? Because what AI is going to learn in minutes, these new junior roles or new professionals, it's going to take them months to learn it. And again, AI does not need any training. It does not ask for pay increase. It does not complain. It does not need to go on leave, and all of those reasons. So the problem is simple. Young people are choosing a career based on what was safe 5 years ago, 10 years ago, not what is safe now. And by the time they realize that their career is dying, they've wasted precious years. So now let me break it down for you now, the jobs or careers that you need to totally avoid before it disappears completely. First on the list is radiology. And as much as I do not like to admit it, sooner or later there will be less need or no need at all for human radiologists. And why is that? Because AI is able to see patterns that humans miss at times, and AI is able to scan thousands of images accurately with high accuracy and in a matter of seconds. Right now, as it stands, hospitals don't need as many junior radiologists as they used to need, and that's a sign to you that this is a declining role. So if you are planning to go on that route, you may want to have a rethink. Number 2, bank tellers and cashiers. And why is that? Already a lot of bank branches are closing down and shutting off. Why? Because everything is going digital right now. For instance, the chatbot can process transactions, it can verify identity, answer queries, and no human is needed there. 3, repetitive coding roles. I know you didn't expect coding to be in this category. I didn't too, so it's come as a surprise to me. Well, not really. I know why. It's because these are simple coding roles that we're talking about. Because simple roles or simple coding is now autopilot. So AI is able to write functions, to debug, document, process or build prototypes instantly. So if all you can do is basic coding, then AI is already better. If you've watched this video to this point, I hope you've gained a thing or two from this video so far. Well, if you've not met me, let me do a quick introduction. My name is Buki, and I'm very passionate about helping young people to achieve success in school and beyond. So every week I make it a point of duty to upload a video that is informative, educative, and will give you a lot of value for your time and money for watching me. I know it's not free, right? So if this feels like something you'd like to be a part of, please subscribe so that we can get to know each other, grow, and become better. Also, please put a comment there, like this video, share, and just do whatever you can do so that other people can see this video. Also, that is the only way that you can get to show appreciation for me for putting out such amazing content every week. I'm not monetized yet, so I'm not making any money from this channel, but your subscription, your like, your comments mean a lot to me. So please keep the comments, the likes, and the subscription coming. Number 4, photography. AI generates photorealistic images. Have you tried it before? Have you used ChatGPT or other tool to create pictures and images of yourself just using prompt? Just tell ChatGPT that, oh, this is me, I'm a dark or chocolate looking person, and this is create this type of images, maybe a profile picture or whatever. It's going to give you very amazing results. In fact, the companies are skipping a whole photo shoot, and they are skipping, video productions for ads. They're now using AI to generate videos and all of that. The other day I was watching a TV advert, and I saw that it was entirely AI created or AI generated, and it was wow. I was like, wow. Have you noticed yourself that the photos that AI is able to create these days, you're like, whoa, is this me? Have you noticed? Let me know in the comments. So already it's a no-brainer that photography is a job that is gradually disappearing. At number 5 is administrative assistants and secretarial roles. Now, admin tasks, most of them are automable, and already we can see AI is able to schedule meetings, to draft emails, to write reports, manage calendars, and even follow up with people. So companies need less assistants. Next at number 6 is journalism. The truth is, AI writes faster and even more accurately than humans. It's sad to say this, but that's the reality, right? AI is able to generate articles, summaries, script, even headlines. And the truth about it is that right now, entry-level writing jobs are shrinking a lot. Sitting at number 7 on the list of the careers that are fast disappearing and you need to be careful of is bookkeeping, payroll, and stock clear. There are a lot of AI accounting tools out there that can clean data, categorize transactions, handle payroll, forecast trends, and even track inventory. So employees don't really see any need to hire entry-level staff that will be doing the same thing that these AI tools will do even better. So, if companies see that they are wasting their money on something, they rather want to save their money to use it something else. So at the end of the day, if they go forth and back, maybe they like you very well and they don't want to lay you off. At the end of the day, when they go forth and back, they would have to. Next is entry-level financial analyst. I know that this is a very good career. I've always loved this one. But interestingly, it's on this list. So what financial analysts do, basically, to start with, really, is that they clean data. And when it comes to AI does this task excellently well. AI also build models, forecast trends, and detect anomalies. And more importantly, they write reports automatically and excellently well without any fault. If companies are going to lay off anyone in this department, junior analysts are gone first. Look, all of this is not to scare you, and I hope I'm not being a prophet of doom to you right now. Your career is not over and done with. It's just that AI is killing jobs that are a little bit old and need to be done in a faster and more effective way. All right. And the good thing is that AI is even creating bigger and more higher paying jobs. If you pivot right now, you can leap into careers that will grow for the next decade, 15, 20 years or more. So now I'm going to show you the 7 fastest growing future proof careers that you should be considering right now. And in no particular order, these are AI and machine learning specialists, big data and data science professionals, cybersecurity analysts, software engineers, information security specialists, renewable energy specialists, green tech engineers. You also have cloud and data infrastructure specialists, UI UX design, and many more. In fact, if you are in the humanities or social sciences, there are some, careers that are also well paid and very futuristic and very promising that you can go into without being able to code, that are not technical. So I have a whole video where I talked about all of these fast growing, high in demand, high paying careers that you can get into in 2026 and beyond. So the video is somewhere there on my left or right, somewhere there. Click, watch, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.